Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sofi Invest. First, you'll want to open your account, which is a straightforward process online. You can then decide if you prefer to actively manage your investments or let Sofi's automated investing feature build a diversified portfolio for you. Finally, link your bank account to easily fund your new investment account and begin your financial journey. Sofi Invest offers a wide range of investment options to suit your goals. You can invest in individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and even various cryptocurrencies. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, automated investing builds and manages a diversified portfolio. Plus, you can start investing in fractional shares with as little as $1, making it accessible for everyone. Once your investments are underway, managing your portfolio is simple. You can easily monitor your progress and performance directly through the intuitive Sofi app. To foster consistent growth, consider setting up recurring investments, which automatically contribute funds on a schedule you choose. For automated portfolios, Sofi can help rebalance your holdings to maintain your desired asset allocation. Beyond basic investing, Sofi Invest provides valuable advanced features. You can access financial planning tools and even receive advice from certified financial planners to help you reach your goals. A unique benefit is the opportunity to participate in initial public offerings, or IPO. Should you ever need assistance, Sofi's dedicated customer support team is readily available to help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.